I'm Jason, and I'm going to turn to the meanest dog ever and just wander around with my friend Camila. Oh my God, Jason. I saw something. I think that I'm going to turn into a dog. What happened to me? I'm a dog. I'm getting my feathers. I'm really good. I'm gonna go to the swimming pool. Gee, she's gonna swim. She's gonna swim. Go. No, leave her. Oh my God. Tough. Ew. What happened to you, Camila? Why'd you wet? I'm gonna eat you.
You guys should have done it before.
I want to eat you up. Put my tail now. So what will happen? He does it? Oh God! Put it again. No. Stop chasing.
Stop, Jason. I don't want you to follow me anymore. I told you to stop.